Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you, a revolutionary tool in the AI space that has the potential to change the way you work with artificial intelligence. If you've been keeping an eye on the AI boom, you know that tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly are all the rage. They're amazing for generating content, designing, and even creating videos. But here's the thing. While these tools are game changers, they come at a pretty steep price. Some of these premium AI tools cost hundreds of dollars each month, which isn't always sustainable, especially if you're just starting or working with a tight budget. That's where AI Universe comes in. Now, before you start wondering if this is just another one of those too good to be true offers, let me tell you, AI Universe promises to give you access to the best AI tools on the market without those hefty monthly fees. It brings together a whole collection of premium AI apps, tools that usually cost a fortune if purchased individually, into one single dashboard. And the crazy part is, it doesn't charge you a monthly subscription fee. Instead, they're offering lifetime access, which is a huge deal considering the cost of these AI tools can easily add up to over $14,000 annually. So, let's break it down a bit. AI Universe bundles together some of the top AI apps you probably already know, like Klingy Pro, Lexica AI Pro, Hugging Face Pro, 11 Labs AI Pro, NVIDIA AI Pro, and even Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, just to name a few. Each of these tools offers something unique. For example, Klingy Pro helps you generate realistic AI-driven content and insights, while Lexica AI Pro creates stunning high-definition images. Then you have 11 Labs AI Pro, which is perfect for voice synthesis that sounds so human-like. You wouldn't even know it's AI. There's also Hugging Face Pro for creating sophisticated videos and models. And NVIDIA AI Pro helps you produce visuals and data analyses using cutting-edge AI models. If you're into graphic design, Adobe Firefly 3 Pro is a must-have, as it lets you craft beautiful designs in no time. If all these tools sound amazing, that's because they are. The best part is, with AI Universe, you get access to all of them in a single platform, and you don't have to worry about paying separate fees for each one. That alone could save you thousands of dollars per year, making this an incredible deal for anyone who wants to dive into AI without breaking the bank. But wait, it gets even better. One of the coolest features of AI Universe is that it lets you launch your own AI-driven platform. That means you can start your very own AI image and video creation agency, sell your services to clients, or even create your own subscription-based AI service and charge people for using it. The commercial rights included mean you can start making money from day one. Whether you're a freelancer looking to expand your services or someone wanting to create a new AI business, AI Universe gives you the tools to do it. Another thing I love about this platform is how accessible it is for people of all experience levels. You don't need to be an expert in AI to use these tools. Everything is designed to be user-friendly. So even if you're a complete beginner, you can start creating high-quality content and marketing materials with ease. Whether you want to generate social media content, design eye-catching graphics, or create professional videos, AI Universe has you covered. You can literally start creating within minutes, and the results are nothing short of impressive. Of course, like any new platform, you may wonder if it's too good to be true. And while AI Universe promises a lot, I can say that the value here is undeniable. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of using multiple AI tools or frustrated by the ongoing costs of keeping up with the latest technology, this is a game changer. It's all streamlined into one platform, so you don't need to worry about switching between apps or managing multiple subscriptions. It saves you time, it saves you money, and it gives you the power to create and innovate like never before. Now let's talk about pricing. AI Universe offers a lifetime access deal at a discounted price, which, when you think about it, is a steal. If you were to pay for these tools individually, you'd be looking at a massive annual fee. But with AI Universe, you pay once and you're done. No monthly charges. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if for any reason you feel that the platform isn't for you, you can get your money back, no questions asked. At the end of the day, AI tools like these are shaping the future of content creation and business. AI Universe brings the best of these tools together in one place, offering an opportunity for anyone to leverage AI for their personal or business use. If you've been looking for a way to jump into the AI world without the massive financial burden, this is your chance. So, if you're ready to take your AI game to the next level, check out AI Universe. The link is in the description below. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.